Your windows play a crucial role in your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and appearance. Over time, though, even the best windows begin to wear down. If you live in Rayne and are wondering whether it's time to replace or install new windows, several signs can help you decide. Addressing these issues early not only improves your home's value but also saves you from costly energy bills and maintenance problems in the long run. Rising energy bills. One of the clearest signs that it's time to schedule a window installation for your Rayne home is a noticeable increase in your energy bills. Drafty or poorly sealed windows allow air to escape, forcing your HVAC system to work overtime. During Louisiana's hot summers, cool air leaks out, and in the cooler months, warm air seeps away. If you've noticed uneven temperatures or if your heating and cooling costs have spiked despite regular maintenance, your old windows may be the culprit. Energy-efficient window replacements, such as double-pane or low-E-coated glass, can dramatically reduce your energy use and stabilize your indoor comfort. Difficulty opening or closing windows. Windows that stick, refuse to close completely, or won't stay open are more than just an inconvenience, they're a safety hazard. Over time, humidity, warping, or frame damage can cause windows to expand or deteriorate. This makes them hard to operate and less effective at sealing out moisture and air leaks. If your windows have become stubborn or require extra force to use, it's time to consider a professional window installation. New windows will glide open and shut with ease, improving both safety and functionality. Condensation or fog between the glass panes. If you notice moisture, fog, or frost forming between double or triple pane windows, it's a sign that the seal between the panes has failed. Once this happens, the insulating gas inside the window escapes, and your windows lose their ability to regulate temperature effectively. In Rayne's humid climate, this problem can quickly worsen and lead to mold growth or wood frame damage. Installing new, properly sealed windows not only restores insulation but also protects your home from moisture-related issues. Outside noise infiltration. When your home no longer feels like a peaceful retreat because of outside noise, traffic, neighbors, or barking dogs, it may be due to old or single-pane windows. Modern window installations use laminated or insulated glass that significantly reduces sound transmission. If you live near busy streets or in high-traffic areas of Rayne, upgrading to soundproof windows can drastically improve your quality of life by making your indoor environment quieter and more relaxing. Visible damage or rot. Cracked glass, chipped frames, and rotting wood are clear indicators that your windows have reached the end of their lifespan. Damage like this doesn't just look bad, it can also allow water infiltration, leading to mold, mildew, and even structural problems. If you notice soft spots in wooden frames, warping, or peeling paint that won't hold up despite refinishing, it's best to invest in a full window replacement. Vinyl or fiberglass windows are durable, low-maintenance alternatives that can withstand Rayne's humid weather. Outdated appearance. Curb appeal matters, especially if you plan to sell your Rayne home in the near future. Old or mismatched windows can make your property look tired and neglected. New window installations come in a variety of styles and finishes that can complement your home's architecture while boosting resale value. Whether you prefer modern black frames or classic wood grain finishes, a window upgrade instantly transforms your home's look. Drafts or leaks during rain. If you feel drafts even when your windows are closed or notice water leaking during heavy rains, your windows are no longer sealing properly. These leaks can damage walls, flooring, and insulation over time. A professional installation ensures that your new windows are properly aligned, sealed, and weather-resistant, keeping your home dry and comfortable year-round. Enhance your home with professional window installation in Rayne. Scheduling a professional window installation isn't just about replacing old glass, it's about investing in your home's comfort, safety, and efficiency. Whether your current windows are drafty, damaged, or simply outdated, upgrading to new, energy-efficient options can make a world of difference. If you've noticed any of these signs in your Rayne home, now is the perfect time to act. Contact a trusted local window installation expert to assess your needs and recommend the best solutions for your home and budget. A fresh installation today means lasting comfort and savings for years to come.